What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI. It is designed to generate natural-sounding and human-like conversations in response to prompts. What jobs can ChatGPT replace? ChatGPT has the potential to replace many human jobs, especially those that involve natural language processing and generating conversations in real time. It can generate customer service responses, provide automated task assistance, and even engage in marketing conversations. Impact on the future. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize how people interact with machines and automate many tasks in a way that wasn't possible before. It can also help streamline customer service and allow people to access valuable information quickly. In the future, ChatGPT could potentially become an essential tool for businesses and individuals alike. Disadvantages. The main disadvantage of ChatGPT is that it requires a large amount of computing power and data to run, which may limit its use in certain situations. Additionally, while the conversations generated by ChatGPT can be very natural-sounding and lifelike, they still lack the nuance and complexity of real human conversations. ChatGPT X Technical Writers. ChatGPT can help technical writers by providing them with more efficient and accurate ways of generating content. ChatGPT can generate natural language summaries or outlines of complex topics, freeing up the writer's time to focus on other tasks. Additionally, ChatGPT can facilitate collaboration between writers by allowing them to share ideas in a conversational format. ChatGPT X Medical Industry. ChatGPT can benefit the medical industry in a variety of ways. It can help medical professionals quickly and accurately generate personalized patient information, reducing paperwork and freeing up time for patient care. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist with medical diagnosis by providing automated responses to questions from patients and physicians, as well as providing automated text-based health tracking systems. ChatGPT X Programmers. ChatGPT can benefit programmers by helping them generate code quickly and accurately. ChatGPT can be used to generate code samples and templates that can be used as a starting point for programming projects, which can save time and energy. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide natural language explanations of technical concepts, which can help developers understand complex topics more easily. ChatGPT X Students. ChatGPT can help students to learn more quickly and efficiently by providing automated assistance with research, proofreading, and summarizing topics. It can also generate personalized study plans and flashcards, helping students to stay organized and keep track of their progress. Finally, it can provide real-time feedback and guidance on written assignments and other academic tasks. Why you should use ChatGPT? ChatGPT can be used to streamline many tasks that normally require a lot of time and effort. It can generate personalized conversations, provide accurate responses to questions, and automate many mundane tasks. It can also help to reduce the cost of customer service by providing quick and accurate answers in real time. Ultimately, the use of ChatGPT can lead to increased efficiency and better customer experiences.